Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by melting chocolate and butter together for a smooth base. This gives the cake its molten center. Once the oven is heating to 220 degrees C, whisk eggs, yolks, and sugar until slightly thick. This traps air for lift. Fold a small portion of flour to bind without deflating the mixture. Make sure to reserve crushed Oreo for texture and set aside one whole Oreo per ramekin to press into batter later, so you lock in that surprise center. Once done combining, gently fold the melted chocolate into the aerated eggs to preserve volume. This balance creates a cakey exterior and liquid core. Pour batter half full, press the reserved Oreo into the middle, then cover with remaining batter so the cookie is fully enclosed. Tap ramekins to remove large air pockets, then bake on the middle rack for about 10 to 12 minutes. Timing controls how runny the center stays. When the edges are set but the top still jiggles, you know they are ready. You'll let each ramekin cool 1 minute, then invert to release the cake so the lava pours out. Serving immediately preserves the molten texture. If your center turned too firm, make sure to reduce bake time next round by 1 or 2 minutes because carryover heat sets the middle. Conversely, if it's underdone, add 2 to 3 minutes but watch closely. Make sure eggs are room temperature and oven calibration is accurate. These factors control rise and center consistency, so adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.